McDonald's just dropped a spicy twist on their classic breakfast sandwich. Yep, the Spicy McMuffin is officially here. But let's get real for a second. Is it worth trying? Or is it just another limited time offer designed to burn your wallet? Let's break it down Frugal style. They've done spicy nuggets, they've done fire sauces, now it's breakfast's turn to bring the heat. The Spicy McMuffin adds a chili-infused mayo to the usual sausage, egg, and cheese combo. Bold move? Maybe. But here's the kicker. Most McMuffins already cost between $4 and $6 depending where you live. Throw in a drink and a hash brown? You're easily at $8 plus $18 before 9 a.m. Now for the frugal truth. For that same $8, you could make 6 spicy breakfast sandwiches at home. Yes, with real eggs, toasted muffins, and your own spicy sauce. Here's the breakdown. English muffins, $1.50 for 6. Eggs, $2 a dozen. Cheese slices, $1.80. Spicy mayo, just mix hot sauce plus mayo, less than $1. Boom. Spicy. Satisfying. Still have change left over? Now, I'm not here to food shame you. If you're rushing to work, tired, or just need that drive-through fix, sometimes it's worth the splurge. But let's be honest, if McDonald's new Spicy McMuffin becomes your new daily breakfast habit, that's over $200 a month on breakfast alone. Now that's the real burn. The Spicy McMuffin? Fun idea. Cool twist, tastes fine. But frugal living means knowing when something's a treat and when it's just clever marketing in a paper wrapper. So go ahead, try it once. Just don't let it toast your budget every morning. If you love no-fluff money tips with a side of reality, hit that like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow frugal foodies. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean boring. It just means you eat smarter and still bring the heat.